Bevara from IKEA, one of the most useful products that you can own, whether you are a student, bachelor, or you got a family. This is for everyone, and if you are in Bangalore, chances are you have taken a detour to IKEA at least once. I prefer IKEA for its minimal and functional Scandinavian aesthetics, affordable yet well designed, and Bevra is a perfect example for that. Basically, the IKEA products blend seamlessly into any home without disrupting its visual appeal. You can get these for as low as rupees 50 or 100, depending on how many you need. The pack I got is of 26 assorted small and big clips, and if you are into organization, you can even label them for easy identification. The material is flexible and tough, ensuring long term use, and since they are made from recycled plastic, they are an easy win for sustainability. So, what's the purpose, you may ask? Simple, to keep your open chips packet airtight or any other food plastic bags. These clips ensure the food stays fresh for longer. So far I have been using these cloth clips to seal my oats, which as you can see didn't work well. The left gaps deformed the bag and didn't provide a proper seal, but Bevra it does the job perfectly. For me, this is a must-have whether you are at home or traveling. It keeps food preserved for longer and makes storage effortless. Practical, affordable, and simple, just how a good design should be.